Welcome to this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse apartment in Las Palmeras de Benavista. We're super close to all the shops and restaurants, all the cafes, bank, pharmacy, hairdressers, etc. There's also a footbridge from here to the other side of the road, to the beach side of the road, from where you can access the beach bars. There's public transport right outside, and also taxis are regularly waiting outside the commercial centre, ready to whisk you away to Estepona or to Puerto Banús or even the airport. We'll start off here in the open plan living, dining room and kitchen. In beautiful condition. And from here we can walk through and visit the bedrooms. Really nicely presented, ready to move into. So from here we'll head into the master bedroom. You can see there on the wall there's air conditioning, hot and cold. Really big bedroom. That's a super king bed, so the same as 2 single beds pushed together. Lots of wardrobe space. And here we've got an ensuite bathroom. And then we'll head through here to the second bedroom. Again, very good size with wardrobe space and air conditioning. And then through here is the guest shower room. Have another quick look at the lovely kitchen and living room. This would make a great investment property for somebody looking to earn a rental income. It's a very popular place to be in the winter. A lot of people are here for a few months rental in the winter, and of course in the summer you have families wanting to be near to the shops and the restaurants. Palmeras de Benavista has beautiful swimming pool areas. It's now gated and so entirely pedestrianised within the urbanisation, so nice and safe for the children.